How does tax play a part in understanding your will in terms of fees, costs, what the implications are for your beneficiaries as well?
Now, I don't specialize in tax, but know people who do. I know a little bit of it. Definitely recommend you to get your own tax law advice. One thing you should really consider is your capital gains tax that your beneficiaries might be liable for. Say they inherited a property and then they want to sell it, they might have to pay capital gains tax. I think there's something to do with selling it within a certain period of time, and if this was a primary residential home used by the deceased. So there's definitely a few layers to that question. I recommend you to talk to your tax accountant or a tax lawyer.
And when you say to sell within a certain amount of time, a certain period, is that for when after the assets have been distributed or from when the person passes?
Don't quote me on this, but I think I had a particular case where one of my clients engaged me to sell, to help them prepare a contract of sale of one of their family home that was owned by the deceased. So the deceased passed away, property was inherited by the beneficiaries, and they needed the property to be sold, settled. I think it was within a year from the time of the death. I can't remember, don't quote me on this, but this definitely highlights the different areas of law that cross-set each other. It's important sometimes you don't get advice from one lawyer, you might hear advice from several different lawyers depending on how complex it is.